Hi, this is Brian. I'm the founder of Your Body Never Lies. This is a body language training program available via yourbodyneverlies.org or at youtube.com/freeoflimits, as all one word. What I am offering to you cannot be purchased. What I'm offering you is priceless and invaluable. And I can't put a price on it, but that's not why you can't buy it. You can't purchase it because what I'm offering you is not an external thing. It isn't a thing in a box that you can look at and then trade money for. What I'm offering you is a shift in your internal dialogue and a shift in your internal body language, and that you actually have to work for. That cannot be purchased. What I'm offering to you is the pathway that I've found that gets results, that if you follow it, you will shift your internal body language, and you will shift it from the language of suffering to a language of joy, and from a language of can't and not enough into a language of can and as much as I want. That is what's being offered here. I cannot charge you for that. I can't charge you for that information. It's just too valuable. It wouldn't be fair. And but what I can charge for is my time. So if you come to a live workshop, or if you'd like to do one-on-one private training with me, or take the intuition class, or whatever program I may have going on, that I do charge for. And what I'm charging for is my time. I can't charge for this information. All of the information is free, and there is no secret information that you won't get. There is no secret information. There's an upper level class that has information that's a little bit beyond what the lower level class receives. However, it's not secret, and it's totally available to you. I don't believe in secrets. I don't believe in shutting people out. However, I'm trying to start a family, and I'd like to live a life, so I have to charge for my time because I need to make a living. And that's the long and short of it. The thing to know here before you get started is that creating that shift and finding your inner freedom, it takes work. You can't just throw money at it, and you can't just throw time at it. You have to embody the work and see how it works for you, apply it, and try something new that you haven't tried before. And it's fun. So if you have any questions or issues, give us a call. You can find the number at the website. Send us an email. I'm happy to answer your questions. And if I can't, then I'll have one of my students do so. But we will help you get through this program. And if you're doing it online, it will always be free. That's my commitment, because, this information is priceless. How can we charge? So take it to heart, love it, enjoy the process, and I hope to meet you soon. And I'm happy to help you through it if you need it. Thank you.